So you think you have to be lucky to be rich or born into money or inherit it? I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. So if you want to figure out how to go from 0 to 1 million in 2 years, stick around and keep watching this video. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Leroy and welcome to my channel 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So like I said, my goal is to go from 0 to 1 million in 2 years. I'm not super smart, so I'm not going to invent the next Tesla. I'm not going to inherit the money. You know, I seem to have had a Nigerian prince for an uncle, but, you know, that might accelerate things a little bit because it sounds like he left everything to me, but we're waiting on that. So, but if you don't have a Nigerian prince for an uncle that just left you everything, well, here we go. So I'm going to show you how we can go from 0 to 1 million, 2 years. Now, I'm nobody special. I'm your average guy. I'm a truck driver, but I said, I'm sick of being broke. And then I was watching a video by The Financial Minute. I will leave the link to his channel down in the description below so you can go check out his channel and follow his journey. And he was saying, I'm going to do 0 to 1 million, 2 years. And like he said, these are the rules. I'm not using any money out of my paycheck. He said he has money set aside that he could use, like his paycheck and everything, but he's not going to use that because he wants to go start from 0. So I was like, that's brilliant. Now, so I'm doing the same thing, starting from 0. So basically the question is, what am I going to use to get money? If you've watched the previous videos that I've done on this, I'm going to use the referral codes for Fetch, Receipt Hog. I just signed up for Coinbase. I just signed up for Ibotta. I'm going to use Marlboro rewards because I can get Visa gift cards from those. Basically any gift cards I get, stuff like that. I'm going to use that money and I'm going to start that and I'm going to put it into, say, the stock market, something. I'm going to find something to invest it in. I bought some Amazon gift cards through my Fold app. That gave me a bunch of extra Bitcoin as a reward for using the Fold app to buy the Amazon gift card. So that's extra that'll be going towards this once I can cash that out. So basically that's what I'm using. And then I got my change jar over here that I was going to save up until the end of the year, see how much was there, but I'll probably add it up, see what I got there, cash that, and see what I can put towards my 0 to 100 challenge, or 0 to 1 million. Now, I know what you're saying. Leroy, you're using change that you have, that you already had. That's really not going to 0. But at the same time, the point is, I'm going to sell some DVDs because what does everybody have? We can sell stuff. I'm going to sell DVDs. I already had those DVDs, you know, so is that kind of cheating? No, I don't think it is because it's already an uphill battle. Basically, that's what it is. I'm going to use Amazon Associates. I just signed up for that, so I'm going to start putting some referral links to stuff that I believe in down in the comments, you know, or down in the description below. And if you guys want to use these referral links and these Amazon Associates to get stuff, I'll get a small commission for that. None of the stuff sponsored by any of these people, but I will get a small commission for that, but no extra charge to you. And that'll just be one thing that I use to propel myself forward onto this path. Sorry about my energy. I'm extremely tired. It's been a long day at work. It's late and I just want to go to bed. But you know what? No rest for the weary. We got to rise and grind. When you're up, you got to grind. So one of the things I wanted to say in this video, and I keep getting sidetracked because I love to ramble about nothing. I had a comment from my good friend Guillermo at Finance ABCs, and he said, this is a worthy challenge. He said, but I worry that you've set your goal too high. He said, though I believe you can achieve it, he's like, I would hate for you to set your goal too high, not achieve it, and then be disappointed. I would be disappointed. I would, but I wouldn't be heartbroken. You know, I would be disappointed that I didn't get it, but it's like Elon Musk said, you have to stop being patient and ask yourself, how can I achieve my 10-year goal in 6 months? You'll probably fail, but imagine how much further ahead you will be than the person who said, it'll take me 10 years. And that's how I look at this challenge. There's a good chance I'll fail. I would be ecstatic if I achieved this goal, but it is a very big goal. This is a very steep mountain, a very steep hill that I'm climbing, that I am trying to conquer, but it is possible. Now, let's say I fail. Will I be disappointed? Yes, I'll be disappointed, but I'm not going to be downhearted. I'm not going to be downtrodden, because I'm going to be that much further ahead, because I said, hey, I had a 10-year goal of being a millionaire. I just bumped that up to 2 years. And I said, you know what? It's time to get intentional. It's time to get this stuff done. You got 2 years, Leroy. You got 2 years to crack down and get going. So you're going to go 0 to 1 million, 2 years. And that's what I want you guys to do. I want to show everybody out there that says, you know what? You can't do that. You have to be lucky. I can't do that. I can't come from that. My life is different, Leroy. Well, you know what? Here, let me tell you what my life was like. I grew up dirt poor, wood stove, most of the time no heat, underneath my house with a blowtorch, thawing out lines so that I could take a shower before school. This would be every morning in the wintertime. Out with a bucket of water, priming the pump because the pump froze in the winter. And then I would have, like I said, blowtorch, thawing the lines out so I could take a shower. Walking down the road, picking up bottles along the side of the road, cashing them in so I could have something to eat. I went to prison. I committed an armed robbery, went to prison, spent 11 years in prison. I have 5 felonies. 5 felonies. I spent 11 years in prison. Got out. Basically worked my way up from hanging drywall to becoming a truck driver, which is what I do now. I'm a truck driver. And what did I say? I said, none of that is going to hold me down. You know what? I'm going to overcome all of it. I'm going to prove everybody wrong that said, you can't do that. And I am going to achieve it. I'm going to achieve the goal of financial freedom. I'm going to achieve that goal of 1 million status. I am going to join the Millionaire Club. All that stuff that's behind me, that's behind me. You know, it made me who I am. It strengthened me. It built me up, but it doesn't define who I am or what I'm going to be, you know. So there it is. If I got this albatross around my neck holding me down and I keep plodding forward, I'll just carry that weight. It don't matter. I'll pull it along. That's what it is. If I can do it, you can do it. If you want to come along with me, if you want to follow this journey, look around you, say, what do I have? What do I have that I can start with at 0 that I can sell? Everybody has something they can sell. You know what? Use one of my referral codes. You get a little bit of money. I get a little bit of money. Sign up for it. Do the same thing. Pass it along. Text it to everybody you know. Start at 0. Work your way up. Follow me on this journey, because you know what? If I can do it, you can do it. And I want you to know in your heart, say, I can do it. What's Steve Harvey say? If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. So there you go. I see it in my mind. I see that $1 million in my mind. I'm going to hold it in my hands. So with that, all right, everybody, you have a great evening, and rise and grind.